Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax. First, gather all necessary documents. This includes your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income. Don't forget records for potential deductions, like student loan interest or medical expenses. Having everything organized upfront makes the entire process much smoother and helps prevent errors. This preparation is key to a stress-free tax season. Next, decide how you want to file your taxes. You can use popular tax software, which guides you step by step, or hire a professional for personalized advice. For those comfortable with the process, filing directly with paper forms is also an option. Each method has its own benefits, so pick the one that best suits your comfort level and financial situation. Many find online filing to be the most efficient. Now, let's talk about maximizing your refund. Explore all available deductions, such as student loan interest or contributions to a traditional IRA, which lower your taxable income. Don't overlook tax credits, like the Earned Income Tax Credit or Education Credits, as these directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Every dollar saved here means more money in your pocket. Finally, it's time to review and submit your return. Double-check all entries for accuracy to avoid delays or audits. Make sure to file by the deadline, which is usually April 15th, to prevent penalties. If you owe taxes, arrange your payment. If you're due a refund, it will be processed and sent to you. Congratulations, you've filed your taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.